Wish I had that stroke.
Boy, I think Cheryl wants to be here. Gang is here.
Yeah, you still can play good. The kids love hearing this. Yay!
That's a pretty good noise.
Oh, I wish I could play like you used to. Oh,
I was singing. Did you sing? No,
want to hear some more noise? All right.
Oh, Grandpa.
Can you clap, Ava?
You need him to sing the River Valley song. You know that one?
Like a
Lori?
racket?
Red River Valley song that he sings?
I think I've heard it. Why?
He's lost his voice a lot.